Hello guys, welcome back to Uncle Legend. Today we're back with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, without further ado, let's take off. So yeah, already you can see Canary Wharf. So without further ado, we're going to do a 360 photo. Stop recording, the 360 photo. 360 photo is complete. We're now just going to zip around. So yeah, we're in the area called Bethnal Green. I flew here before, but I haven't flown in this area before.
Mum, tell her.
So yeah, I've flown in this area before, in that park over there. Let's go nearby to this area and start heading back. Let's get a low down shot of down here. Look at that shine. Let's go towards this side. And follow the bus back. It's in traffic right now. It's really hot today, 24 degrees. Hottest day of 2025 yet. Alright, let's head backwards. Now there's a nice shot that we can get over here. I'm looking for it in real life, so you can get a close shot of this building, which I can see. I'm gonna get a close-up shot of that. So as you can see, look at that, actually insane. Let's go around it a little bit. Alright, let's start heading back. Now let's go to the other side of Bethnal Green. Let's go fast this way. Really nice shot. That's so sick. See so many birds flying in this area. Look at the train. Let's get a shot of it. Gonna get a shot of the train. Really sick shot. This is the overground, as you can see. Alright. Really nice. Let's go towards this bridge. I'm getting interference, a lot of interference actually. Yeah, I had a lot of interference. It disconnected for no reason. I think my lav mic's interfering with this drone because the drone is literally in the sky and I've disconnected somehow. I don't know how I've disconnected. I didn't even go that far. Maybe there's a tree in the way. Alright, so I've just cancelled it now. I'm not going to go in that area again because I must have gone behind a tree for 1 second. Look how many birds there are. Actually insane. That's all but this little building over here. Let's go a little bit this way. There's a lot of. It's a really nice day out here. I don't know where else I can go. Where else I can go this time? I think the problem is there's a lot of interference in this area. If I go far, it disconnects. So I can't go that far because interference will cause the drone to just disconnect. So when I fly in an open area, there's no really interference, but I think in this area there's a lot of networks and Wi-Fi and networks. There's different radio signals and it's interfering with the drone. So let's explore this area. So I'm just gonna explore this area down here. You can see a car park here. If I go there, I'll go a bit too far, so I'm just gonna stay in this area. You can see the nice shot of the road over here. You can hear that train as well. Forgot to put my windsock on my lav mic. I didn't think it would be that windy, but it turns out to be picking up a little bit. Let's get a shot on top of this building. Hopefully the wind's not affecting the lav mic too much. Let's explore this building on top of it. So yeah, you can see on top of this building what it looks like. You can even see this. I'm going to explore the other one as well. The park down there, as you can see. Let's get a shot like this. One of the buildings down here, let's explore that as well. Then we'll explore the top of that building as well. So you can see a nice little building over here, let's orbit that. Hope the wind's not too much for the lav mic. Then we'll go here to this building. Explore the top of it. So let's see what's on top. Imagine I land it on there. I obviously won't, but let's get a nice top-down shot of this. Really sick. Alright, let's go backwards. Really nice shot. Alright, let's start heading back now. Got a little bit of low battery, not that low, but just stay local. So yeah, let's get a shot of the road. Bethnal Green Road. Let's get a shot of these shops over there. A lot going down there, as you can see. Looks like a little market. Let's get a more nice shot of it. Now we're going to land the drone just after this shot. Let's get a sports mode shot of this. Wicked. We're even going faster than the cars. Alright, let's slow down. Now we're gonna land. You get a nice shot of the car going there. Alright, that was my drone flight. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.